Hey y'all, today I'm going to share with you guys my recipe for tacos ahogados. Tacos ahogados in English means drowning tacos. They call it this because you're literally drowning your tacos in salsa because the salsa is just that good. It's basically a crispy taco stuffed with potatoes, cheese, and ground beef with red salsa, lettuce, queso fresco, and sour cream on top. So we're going to start out with peeling and chopping 6 white potatoes and boiling them until they are fork tender. I chop the potatoes into smaller sized pieces so that they cook evenly. When they are fork tender, when they're fully cooked, I drain the water and mash up the potatoes. Next, I shred 1/4 block of mozzarella cheese and add it to the potatoes and fold it in. I also add salt and pepper. For the salsa, start to boil 3 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 white onion, and 2 chiles de árbol. If you don't like it too spicy, I would do just 1 chile de árbol because those are pretty spicy. Once the potatoes are soft and their skin has started to peel, transfer the tomatoes into the blender along with the onion and chiles de árbol. I also added 1 cup of the water that I boiled the potatoes in and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and salt to taste. This will make about 3 cups of salsa, and I just pour them into mason jars and store them for the next day, or you can use it right away. If you wanted to, you could even make it the day before and use it whenever. Just store it in the fridge until you're ready to use it. Next, we move on to the ground beef. I just use the spices that I really like, including salt, pepper. For this ground beef, I used 1/2 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Feel free to use the spices that you like. Now you're going to grab some corn tortillas. I am making 4 tacos today. So in a pan, heat up some frying oil. I'm using vegetable oil. Add your tacos in and fry both sides until they are light brown and crispy. Look at that, looks so good. Lastly, I like to chop up some lettuce so I can put on top. And I also like to add queso fresco, Mexican sour cream, tastes really good. You can even add an avocado on top if you wanted to. There's so many combinations you can do with this, and the salsa is so good. This was definitely a favorite dinner for my husband and I. It just tastes so good and it's so hearty, and you really can't go wrong with this. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you want to see next.